So, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Good evening, and welcome to our fourth session. Fourth session. We had over 1,600 guests already. I had the German-speaking countries with Austria, Switzerland, and Germany, and right now here people joining. So let's wait a few seconds and warm up a bit. So. My name is Mark. I'm one of the regional directors of Safir Global, and today a completely different session, a completely different presentation about the project, which will be a big topic in the end of this week. On the Saturday, 28 January 2023, we will have a start of a pre-launch of a pre-sale in our minting category. So I think most of you are familiar with Safir and the Zeniq minting technology and blockchain smart chain ecosystem. That is not the topic today. Today we will focus on this project, one of its kind technology. Really unbelievable, revolutionary, disruptive, for different industries, and that's what we will discuss today, and the possibilities, what we can do with this, and in details the next few days, a lot of updates, and then on Saturday everybody can join this opportunity, can participate from these processes we will explain. So launch time, that's amazing, and we're talking about Tupan cargo aircraft, and new company in the space of aircrafts, and with a massive experienced engineering team behind, really people from aeronautic institutes, technology institutes, departments of airspace, science, technology, over decades. So a very experienced developing team, and the company is already today on a level, on evaluation, very exciting, and starting to move into a space, into a direction, into a new category, in case of aircraft, in case of cargo, of transport, and many areas. That's what we will have a look at here, the next era of cargo, of transportation, of goods between cities, between countries. And you can see here the flying drone, the Tupan drone, and you can see also HSVSTOL. What is the meaning of these letters? High speed, vertical, short takeoff and landing. So this drone technology is one of its kind, has patented features, a lot of patents, and is the only one in these categories we are talking about. We will see 4 different categories, 4 different sizes even, which can vertical takeoff, which has a very special technology, turbine technology, and this will revolutionize the cargo and transport all around the world. So the proposal of this project aims to change this paradigm shift, like Apple was changing the smartphone space in 2008. There are Nokia, there are Ericsson, there are big brands already, and from one year to another, there was a paradigm shift, there was a change in this industry, there was a disruption, and the same with Tesla in the automobile space. So there are a lot of big brands since 100 years, Ford and Daimler-Benz and others, and within a short period of time, a new brand was coming up and was disrupting the automobile space, and today the biggest car brand in the world. So on that, can happen here with these technologies, and I will show you the use cases. I will give you ideas to understand what it means if you can participate on an early stage already from a brand like this. But we will talk about a DAO. We will talk about a company, Tupan Aircraft, which will be partially tokenized in a DAO, in a decentralized autonomous organization. And that means the token related to the DAO, minted by the hardware released by Zeniq Technologies, will be like a share of this DAO yeah, and the DAO, yeah, one part of the company is the DAO, decentralized, tokenized, and the other part is a traditional part with traditional shareholders, amazing shareholders, yeah, and with a fantastic valuation, and with the increasing valuation, also the share of the DAO will increase in value. Yeah, so that's amazing. That's one of its kind mechanic. Yeah, this is really important to understand. What are the customers? Who is the customer? Yeah, for this kind of technology. Yeah, this is not a supermarket product or a cream or a car or whatever. This is a yeah, highly rated technology product, and a lot of demand is coming up. And I will show you how and what is the background, and give some ideas that you can imagine what is here coming. So let's talk about the following limitations, yeah, in existing parts of transportation. This is the airline industry. You know, they have a wide range, yeah, so they have a good capacity to transport goods from A to B, yeah, but they need runways to take off. Yeah, so imagine you can't go from one building to another, from one hospital to another, from one city to another. Yeah, you can't land anywhere. You need to take off. You need a runway. You need the airport. Yeah, so that's the other side of this. Helicopter, yeah, are more flexible. Yeah. In moving, but higher fuel consumption, yeah, so very big consumption, and also other transport possibilities like a truck, like a train, yeah. So they have good points, but on the other side they are too slowly, they are too limited, yeah. So this flexibility. And conventional drones, they are very lazy, very low in speed, yeah, and short range, yeah. So we will see also a comparison with competitors on the market, and there you will understand what it means. And you can see also these turbines, yeah, these turbines you can move, yeah, they are flexible, yeah, so the drone can go up vertical, yeah. And if it comes to the comparison, you will see the competitors, they need a runway. Okay, so performance advantages, long range. Yeah, also interesting to see what the others are doing. Yeah, in case of long range and the load capacity. Yeah, lower fuel consumption, very good topic, and also high autonomy and speed. Yeah, and like I said, VSTOL, high speed, vertical, short takeoff and landing. So let's go to the next slide and let's have a look on the models. Yeah, so we have Tupan 300 on the right side, Tupan 1000, 2000, and 3000. So different models, different wingspan. Yeah, and you will see soon also some pictures from the model. I think this is the second from the right, 6.4 meters in wingspan. You can see this in the VIP area of the Al Maktoum Airport in Dubai. Yeah, you can see this. And if you see a picture with a human being on the side, you will see, wow, this is already huge. It's huge. 6 meters, you think, oh, this is not a big thing, yeah, but it's huge. Yeah, it's already fantastic. So 8.6 meters, much bigger, and 10.6 meters wingspan is a huge, yeah, it's a huge, yeah, power device. And you can see the payload, 400 kilo. Yeah, so back going into the plane on the airport is a 23 kilo. That's so the big bag size, yeah, and weight. So imagine, yeah, even 120 kilo is huge. Yeah, these are 5 big bags from the weight. Yeah, where you go to holiday, where you're flying, by plane with a big bag. Okay, so the 33,000 feet, yeah, around about 10,000 meter height. Yeah, so like Boeing is flying. Yeah, so also this speed, amazing, up to 850 kilometers per hour. Yeah, so massive. If you compare this to other drones, it's a laugher. Yeah, and then 1,200 kilometers, the big drone. Yeah, from not only the big, also Tupan 1,000, 1,200 kilometer, yeah, range. Yeah, so this is also amazing. And yeah, let's go a bit in the technical part. So come on. Yeah, competitors. So you can see here some of the most important brands. Yeah, it comes to drones on that level, on this size. And we have here only Tupan 1000. Yeah, you saw Tupan 2000, 3000, and yeah, 120 kilogram compared to the others, 50. Yeah, Chemcorp, Alti, 7 kilogram, 85, 100 kilogram, Falco. Yeah, Bayraktar, the famous brand, 50 kilogram. Yeah, so clear. Yeah, so then the first landing and takeoff, you can see runway, runway, runway. So they're not flexible. They cannot land everywhere. They cannot start everywhere. Yeah, so this is a big topic. And then also the range. Yeah, I mentioned 1,200 kilometer. Yeah, this drone can fly, the Tupan drone. Yeah, 180, 150. Bayraktar 150 kilometer. Yeah, so massive less range. Yeah, and then very efficient in the consumption. Yeah, is the Tupan drone. Yeah, so another big advantage, let's say also against a helicopter. Yeah, the drone is really efficient. Yeah, in the fuel, and yeah, so flexible. No runaway needed, massive speed, massive capacity up to 400 kilogram. So what do you need more for being the best offer to transport goods around the world, from city to city, from hospital to hospital, and many other areas we will have a look at. This is the Tupan navigation system, in-house made. The navigation to drive even autonomously. You can move the drone, and she will arrive, or remotely, with remote control, piloted. So there are different possibilities to work with these drones. And let's go through the technical key points, ground station and things like that. So software development, all in-house, like I said, fantastic experts there, really to create a world brand, over the decades experienced, and you have control systems, you have a lot of features here, and technical side, I'm sure you will not study or be an engineer of that, but that you can see they knowing what they're doing. So hardware development, all in-house, and there are people, they worked in any field. If traditional airplanes or science, anything around aviation, they have the experts, and they are prepared for the big step, for the big step. A lot of exhibitions, even in February, exciting exhibitions. We will see press releases, we will see partnerships, and all this stuff needed to really take off. And that's a perfect stage to start minting, and to start participating from this DAO. Okay. So navigation and telemetry, some insights. All aircraft flight and attitude data is shown in real time, with the navigation camera image. So you get a little bit idea how this looks like, and the ground station has the ability to receive and send data to the aircraft during the flight and before the flight. And it's also possible to change this navigation route while the drone is flying. And also interesting, at the final destination, it is possible to land with the cargo or release the cargo without landing during the flight. So in crisis area, if you like to deliver food or whatever, you can't land there, but it's too, there's a revolution or whatever. So you can deliver also, and a lot of possibilities with this technology. So ground station, we had this before. So Tupan propulsion. This is very important to understand with this technology, with this turbine technology, with this flexible propulsion system, the drone is, it's one of its kind, so it has all the possibilities what other drones didn't have. So technical features here again, Tupan 1000, Tupan 2000, Tupan 3000, yeah, lengths, yeah, diameter, dry wide. So a lot of features, a lot of technical things, but you will have more and more informations in the upcoming days and weeks. So let's have a look at the most important points while I'm open the door here for some people. So a new aircraft company, but with decades of experience, yeah, and professional background, and big demand and the big support are coming by governments, by institutions, yeah, being customers. So this is a different kind of level, yeah. Who's interested in these technologies? Yeah, companies, governments, what I said before, and the first cargo delivery service in the world with low costs, yeah, and high speed and long range, yeah. So this is disrupting, and like I said, a big demand, and you will see a lot of press release in the next few months. So a new way of cargo delivery in the world, and this is possible, I mentioned this a few times, to the exclusive turbo machine propulsion system and disrupting solution we had. And now let's have a look into the use cases to get a little bit ideas, yeah, which institutions, which governments, which countries, yeah, will be a perfect customer for this. If this is in the military sector, transport of goods for sure, relief operations in crisis areas, I mentioned this already, support to armed forces, high performance aerial target to armed forces. So it's not a weapon system, yeah, so that's very important to understand. Yeah, it's not a weapon system, it's a defense system, military observation, relief operations, yeah, everything like this. And I'm sure alone in the Arabic countries there is a high demand, there are good relationships, yeah, and yeah, this will be amazing and interesting to see, yeah, how this project is developing, getting customers, fantastic shareholders, etc. Yeah. So then I think a lot of ideas you will have if it comes to pictures like that. Yeah, lavine, snow, mountains, rescue and search, yeah, fire detection and firefighting, huge problems all around the world every summer. Yeah, the firefighting in California, you saw the pictures, in Berlin, in Greek, yeah, big forest fires everywhere. Yeah, you can help, you have the possibilities with these drones to fight against these problems. Search, rescue on the ocean, in the mountain, everywhere. Cargo delivery, border protection, air shipment of supplies and food, medical support, organ transplantation, a lot of things, agriculture, I think, big sector. Yeah, so imagine what kind of old technologies are used to work in agriculture, yeah, and to go on this field is also a big thing. Yeah, so a lot of fields, a lot of industries are looking for revolution, and there are also other things where the scientists are working on, air taxis of the future. Yeah, I'm sure you saw also these pictures of different. In Dubai, I saw a policeman on a flying air taxi. Yeah, this is a reality. In a few years from now, things like that will be normal. Yeah, so technology is going on, and this company has a developers, a scientist, and will not only produce these drones from today. It's a progress. Yeah, like a new iPhone is coming out every year. Yeah, this is going on non-stop, the development, the evolution in technology, and they are prepared for that. Yeah, and sure, we will see fantastic development and increasing value variation of this company, of this project. Okay. Yeah, with that said, cargo revolution, and let me tell you a bit, Saturday 28, the launch, the pre-sale launch will be starting. Yeah, and everybody who knows our minting model knows, okay, there is a specific minting factor. Yeah, there are halvings. Yeah, so we get all those details, but I can tell you there will be an amazing minting factor for the start. Yeah, for this weekend, for this coming weekend. So stay tuned. Yeah, and prepare yourself to get your hands on. But this is not a utility token. This is a DAO related token. A DAO, again, yeah, one part of this company is tokenized as a DAO, as a decentralized autonomous organization. Yeah, and every single token we are minting with our hardware, yeah, is a share of this DAO and with the valuation of the company. Yeah, and it has already a good evaluation, but yeah, with every single contract, with one deal, with one big partnership, yeah, evaluation of a tech company can go to the moon. Yeah, so stay tuned for that. A lot of exhibitions are there, and there are negotiatings and partnerships and everything possible. And there's a lot of things in the pipeline. Yeah, so it's huge, and it's technology, and it's a different thing what we have to offer. Yeah, for our clients also to come into categories like this, to change the world. Yeah, on the technology side with this company, and on our customer side, yeah, with long-term projects, long-term minting, long-term participation, and also Tupan Rainforest Project. Yeah, so the mechanics have not yet started, guys. There's so many coming, and also forced to start earlier. Yeah, so stay tuned for all these fantastic projects we have. First tokenized movie, real estate there. Yeah, and the mechanics are different from project to project here and there, like now. Yeah, DAO, decentralized autonomous organization. But stay tuned for all the details and exciting early bird special conditions. We will see this coming Saturday, guys. Yeah, I can assure you this will be mind-blowing. Okay, so disruptive, amazing. And with that said, we will have a lot of calls like this, yeah, to inform your friends, your prospects, yeah, interested also in amazing technology. And yeah, looking forward to see you, yeah, by one of these meetings potentially here the next time. Yeah, check out calendars and channels, and we will share all these possibilities to inform. Yeah, so thank you for being here. Have a nice evening, and hope to see you soon. Okay, bye bye for now.